Connie. We're going to do challenge number 11 out of 22, finally halfway through. You can probably guess what we're doing. Got our kayaks ready. What are we doing, Connie?
We're kayaking the Lake Windermere, which is like 11 miles. We haven't started in the right place, so
yeah. So it's probably 12. Yeah. And it's actually the longest natural lake in the UK, so it's a pretty big challenge. Safety first. We're not even at fell foot yet, which is where we're meant to start off at. There's Con. And we're going to be pedalling to the far end of Ambleside.
Oh no. Oh gee.
Right, how are we going to get out of this?
We've just gone past fell foot. It's just behind us, which is like the official starting point. Although we have been paddling for like 30 minutes before that.
I think that we should probably mention that this is classed as an intermediate course. Canoeing GB, that was like, what, 3 years ago? 3 years ago. Me, on the other hand, I mean, I've got a kayak. I haven't been on it in about a year. And I usually just paddle casually, so I've never done this challenge. So it is genuinely going to be a challenge. I'm quite nervous, but we'll get it done, definitely. I'm going to have to go because I'm going to knock into a boat.
Becca's like behind me now. I'm just going through all these boats. Who's faster? How do they actually get to the boat?
I'm not being funny. Look, my kayak is nearly overflowing with water. I'm sure this is a children's one. I've given Connie the adult one. Oh!
That's off at like just after 12:30, I think it was. No, I aim to do it in 5.5 hours, so yeah. All going well, we should be in Ambleside.
And the reason that we didn't set off from fell foot is because the car park shut, so I didn't want my van being stuck there. So
I know.
I had to abandon it at this one.
Yeah, just like a little side street. I think we're better than average. Right? So like so far we've just seen little boats, but we can see a big ferry in the distance. And I think especially when we get closer to Bowness, I think there's going to be quite a few. So Becca said let's hang on to the back. We're doing it, but yeah.
We won't do that.
No, promise.
We've just stopped off for a slight breather. How far have we got?
1.6 miles, but I started at 10 miles.
So we've probably done about 2 miles now. Oh, we don't. Oh, look at the duck. Oh, look at them little pods. No, I didn't. I wonder what it's called.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
Powering. we haven't recorded in quite a while because we just need to keep going, because once you get in the rhythm
It's so much easier.
than just stopping and starting all the time. But you can't really complain about this view. It's absolutely amazing. There's a ferry coming for us. Oh my god, we're in the tracks as well. Let's move. Connie literally burns as much as me, so yeah. Ginger skin but brown hair, but ginger hair and light skin. So a little update. I think we're just under half. We're gonna keep going until we get to Bowness, which we think is just over half, and it's currently 3:15. Are we on track? Oh, yeah. We set up at 12:30, but we did go a bit. Yeah. Oh, here comes the ferry again. Every time I put this phone on, the ferry comes. Here come the waves.
This man down, just capsized.
Connie's boat because we were going to collide, and then this one isn't very sturdy and it's quite warm though, so it's not that bad, but our food got drenched.
I know, yeah. She had the food. The only thing she had was the food. The Percy pigs are going to be drenched.
But we've just checked, and I think we're a bit more than halfway now, so we're going well. Starting to feel the burn a little bit out of the con. Feels like we've got the lake to ourselves. There's no one else on apart from us at the minute. It's crazy.
We've just reached Bonus, which you can't really see it, it's over here. But yeah, it just feels good because so far we've kind of known kind of where we are, but not really been too sure. Just been like different houses and stuff, but now we actually know where we are. So yeah, and I think we were saying it's probably like over half, about 2/3 of the way there. So we've currently been paddling for 3.5 hours. So I think 5.5 hours is still doable. I guess we'll find out. But yeah, I'm very excited for the rest because I think we'll see Lorwood and stuff now as well, won't we?
We'll see a few more things. We see some really nice houses.
Yeah, me and Becca have just been kind of like, oh, we should live there, we should live there. But yeah, beautiful.
Look at this view, it's amazing.
We were literally like paddling all the way up here, like this is the Lorwood, we're almost there. And it's right here. We think it's around that corner instead. Just so
Gutted, just feeling the burnout.
I know, I think we're getting a bit tired now.
I'm really feeling, I just... We're this close.
Found it! We're a bit annoyed when I see it, so happy with that now.
So we just had some good news. We can see where the ferry stopped at Ambleside. It looks like it's starting to set. So we better get a move on, but we're so close. Can see it. We're in touching distance. And into the finish. And we've gone to the very end. We're nearly there. Yes! We made it! tired day.
So tired. Oh God, my bum hurts.
So tired. My arms hurt, my shoulders hurt, but it was worth it. We did it. I've just ordered myself a taxi, so I'm gonna be able to get back to the van. It comes in 5 to 10 minutes. The sun is starting to set, so it's looking really nice. Got ducks. I think they're waiting for food. But yeah, it's been such a great challenge.
Becca, she's going to go and get the van. And the sunset's really nice, so yeah, I'm really tired now. My arms are really sore. But I'm very excited to get some pizza and have a relax with Bex. So yeah.
So that's it done. We've just got some food and feeling full.
Yeah.
Thank you so much to Connie for joining me on my kayaking. It was so fun. We really enjoyed it. So sore, but well worth it. But that's challenging bit 11 complete. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker.